Welcome to Luxury Car Future, your go-to channel for exploring the finest automotive masterpieces. Today, we dive into the thrilling world of the 2025 BMW M4 Widebody G82, a car that takes the M4 to a whole new level. From its jaw-dropping design to its mind-blowing performance, this machine is built for those who crave the ultimate driving experience. Let's start with performance. Under the hood, the M4 Widebody G82 houses a 3.0-litre inline-six twin-turbo engine, delivering an incredible 560 horsepower and 550 pound-foot of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising through city streets, the power is instant, smooth, and relentless. Its X-Drive all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip, while the rear bias setup still allows for playful handling. Add in adaptive M suspension and carbon ceramic brakes, and you've got a car that handles like it's glued to the road while offering precise, razor-sharp control. The wide-body design isn't just for show, it improves aerodynamics and houses a wider track for enhanced stability. The flared wheel arches, aggressive front splitter, and massive rear diffuser not only look stunning but serve a functional purpose. Complementing the bold look are 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, ensuring this M4 feels as good as it looks. Step inside, and the luxury is unmistakable. The interior combines cutting-edge technology with driver-focused design. BMW's latest iDrive system runs on a curved, high-resolution display that seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen. Carbon fiber accents, Alcantara upholstery, and optional bucket seats elevate the sporty vibe. The M-specific steering wheel with paddle shifters feels perfect in hand, while the customizable ambient lighting adds a touch of personalization. Despite its aggressive nature, the M4 Widebody G82 doesn't compromise on practicality. There's a decent amount of space, premium materials everywhere, and even advanced driver assistance systems for added convenience. This car represents BMW's relentless pursuit of perfection. From its breathtaking performance to its striking design and luxurious interior, the 2025 BMW M4 Widebody G82 is a masterpiece that truly stands out. If you're passionate about cars that merge speed, style, and sophistication, this one is a must-see. Thanks for watching Luxury Car Future. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the world's most exciting vehicles.